Okay, guys, War 2 teaser just dropped, and I saw a few funny things which I want to tell you. So, first of all, the teaser starts off with Junior NTR saying, "तू रॉ का best agent था, पर अब नहीं है." Now they obviously dubbed his voice, and they wanted to sound so menacing or something. But eventually, when the camera pans to him, you see that voice is not matching his body or the facial expressions at all. Okay, and like his hats off to him, he reduces weight using weight or Ozempic, you never know. But you see, like his facial expressions are like, okay, yeah, tu war tha, but ab nahi hai. That's all. They wanted to recreate a Jawan Pathan moment, but that dialogue is not it. Okay. Now in second scene, I saw Hrithik Roshan walking in with a werewolf beside him, like properly, not even chained or anything. He's just walking casually. कि हाँ यार पार्क में घूमने आया है. And I thought like, oh, is it Varun Dhawan? You never know, man. Like YRF and Maddock will cross over and then poof, he will turn into Varun Dhawan. And now third scene I saw, like if you play the teaser in slow mo, you will see it's a green screen. Every scene is a green screen. You see first like there's a F1 car racing randomly, then there is a ice cave, then there is some random European structure he's climbing out of flying, like, bro, what's happening? And then we also have one scene in which there's a Doctor Strange's portal behind him. Like, bro, ye kya ho raha hai? Like, they're combining Marvel, three universe, everything is going on. And then at the end, I saw they've replaced the director. It was earlier, it was Siddharth Anand, and now it's Ayan Mukherjee. And I was like, oh, okay, good. Because Siddharth Anand, for the last 5 years, if you have seen any action movies, he has been directing. And it's like he ticks, checkbox. There. He's like, oh, Europe location, check. Hero's entry will be like bicep, triceps, abs, and sunglasses, check. Villain entry, rolling camera, and check. And heroine, okay, yeah, she is useless, but yeah, we'll give her a bikini shot and alongside C, and romancing with the hero 20, 30 years older, be it Shah Rukh Khan or Hrithik Roshan, check. And you see, even if the director is not same, this is what is happening here. And if you remember in War 1, Vani Kapoor had a daughter, and in the end, after she died, Vani Kapoor, Kabir, Hrithik Roshan, adopted their daughter. Okay, and now I want that they will give us some backstory or pick up from where they left, or they will just like randomly not show the daughter or any connection or anything. So these were my thoughts. Follow for more.